You holding?
A snake.
A snake? Let me see it. It's not a snake. What is it?
A worm. I have a worm.
Oh, it's a worm.
I have a worm.
You like worms?
But I don't. But I'm not afraid of them, but I don't like them.
Worm. Let me see how he moves.
He's not moving.
He's not moving? Yes, it is. Look. Hold it still.
You have to take two back.
Huh?
You have to take two back.
Okay.
I'm over right here.
There's one in. Hey, there's two worms. Wait, what is this box for?
We're going to make something with it.
Is it an airplane? We can make it with a rocket ship?
Look what Amanda's doing. Look. Ew, Amanda.
But I'm not afraid of it.
You're not.
Nope.
You like it?
Yep. Do you want to have a pet like a worm at your house?
Amanda, you're so brave.
I want to touch it. Amanda, can I touch it? Hey, touch it on the blue.
Did you?
Yes.
Yikes.
I'm not afraid of him. Really?
I want to see you touching it again.
You touch it. I want to see it. I want to move, but I want to touch it.
You guys are so brave.